In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side wiper blade on your Ford Explorer, located right here on your driver's side wiper arm. Now when you remove your wiper blade, what you want to do is you want to fold this up, and it's going to give you access to the base of it. Now there's a little spring clip right here. You're going to push it in, and you can push your wiper blade down. You see it sliding off the J-hook. Go ahead and slide that off. You want to hold on to this. Don't let it slap down and hit your windshield, because it'll crack your windshield. You're going to take your new wiper, and there's a little spring clip on the bottom, and on the top is where that hook is going to go. So simply line this up, slide that in, push it up. You can hear it click and lock into place. Before you lower that wiper down, go ahead and slide the protective cover off of that blade. Go ahead and lower that down. You want to repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.